Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 15, Part A. The diagram shows the graph of y equals x divided by 2 minus 1. Write down the coordinates of the point where the graph crosses the x-axis. In this question, we can see that the graph has two separate parts. If we look at the left side of the graph, it does not cross the x-axis. But on the right side, the graph crosses the x-axis at the red highlighted point. Now, any point on the x-axis always has a y-coordinate of 0. From the graph, we can see that the x-coordinate of this point is 2. So, the coordinates of the point are 2, 0. Therefore, the answer is 2, 0. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with others. Have a nice day.